Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the canvas of your picture on the Filto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the plus icon down below and then click on a picture you want to edit. After that, you should slide to the right side down below and click on the canvas button. Here you can find a bunch of options. As you can see, there's a help. So for example, if you want to upload your picture to Instagram, it will help you that there are a bunch of preset canvas options. So you can choose the ratio according to the social networking sites you are planning to upload your photo to. Then you can change the color of the border, and the gradient can be selected too by the help of this slide in the middle. So feel free to select the ratio, the color and the gradient too, and adjust it by the help of the slide. If you are done, click on the photo and tap on this save button in the upper right corner. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.